Clearing cookies on your Android device is an easy yet powerful way to enhance your browsing experience. Cookies are small files stored by websites to remember your preferences, login details, and other settings. While they can be helpful, they can also slow down your browser or cause issues over time. Fortunately, clearing them is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening the web browser you use most often. For many, that's Google Chrome. Find the Chrome icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to open the app. Once Chrome is open, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Tap on it to bring up a list of options, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to move to the next step. In this section, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data and select it. Now you'll see a list of items you can clear, along with a time range selector at the top. You have several options, including the last hour, last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Choose the time frame that best fits your needs. Here's where you can fine-tune your cleaning. If you only want to delete cookies, make sure all other options are unchecked, leaving only Cookies and Site Data selected. This ensures that you're only removing cookies while keeping other browsing data, like your history, intact. After you've made your selections, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the Delete Data button. Tap it to confirm you want to clear your cookies. And that's it. All cookies within your selected time frame are now cleared from Google Chrome, helping to boost your browser's performance and fix any issues related to stored data.